Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you subscribing. I would love to tell you today about a wonderful set of brushes. Is that really my doorbell? Yes. Now again, so today we're going to talk about a set of makeup brushes that I would certainly recommend any girl to have. The brushes that I have, they come in different colors, they come in different quantities. I chose the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I chose the set of 8, which I think is a little bit too much for me. But if you're more advanced with your makeup, it probably would be perfect for you. This is the 7 long brushes and it comes with a little fishy over here. This is my favorite one. It's really firm and bouncy. And it helps to apply the foundation without any problem whatsoever, and it's the most natural look that you can get, and I'm for natural look, so for me that is the perfect brush for foundation. What else have we got here? We've got a set of 4 fluffy, like thick brushes. Now a little disclaimer, I'm not a beautician, I'm not a makeup artist, so I might use those brushes wrong. Say this brush I can also use for a foundation. It's slightly softer than the other one that I just showed you, the flat one, but it's also very convenient to kind of just for a little retouch afterwards. Then this one is a perfect one to apply maybe a little bit of highlighters and to apply a little bit of blushes on your cheekbones. So that's a really pretty cute one as well. I love the color, it's really bright, it's very comfortable, they're very sturdy, amazing quality for the price. This little beauty, and this one as well, I'm not quite sure what to use it for, but I still like them, so that's why they're the newest one. This one I actually use to highlight my cupid bow and just to do a few touches here with the highlighter and there. This one is brand new, and you know, if you have any ideas what to use it for, well, let me know. I'm just too lazy to Google it, to be very honest. It comes with 3 skinny brushes over here. I don't really apply anything on my eyebrows, and that's the brush for the eyebrows, so I'm just gonna leave it aside. This is one of my favorite brushes. It's quite soft. It used to be fluffy, but not anymore. After I used it today in the morning, I use it for my under eye area to apply concealer. It's quite soft, so it doesn't stretch my skin, but yet it still helps me to hide the dark circles, you know, under my eyes. And again, all the brushes are very sturdy. I've had them for a few months now, and you know, they're like new. They're very shiny, very mermaidy. I call them a mermaid brush set. And this brush is Miracle, because I use it for my eyeshadows. Well, I use a different brush just to apply the eyeshadows, and this one I just used to kind of put it here. Things like this is so cool to have on your makeup table. They're really vivid, they're very bright, they're very stylish, they're really shiny. I'm amazed with the quality for the price. This is a perfect set to have for you when you apply makeup, or if you're watching this video and you're a guy, this is a wonderful present for your girlfriend or for your mother, for your wife. I use it every day and you will make your partner really, really happy. It's a very good price for such good quality set of brushes, believe me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to support me and make me really happy, just subscribe to my channel. I know it's very small yet and I only have a few videos, but you know, there are a lot more to come, and I'm here and I'm not going anywhere, and I hope you watch my next video.